Hi, I'm Paul Robertson and welcome to ISE 2018 and the live events wall. So here's a few of the new products that we are showing this year. Firstly, the VS8UFX. This is an 8-port 12G SDI assignable matrix switcher. By assignable, we mean that any of the inputs and outputs can be reassigned to be inputs or outputs. That means that you can have a 1-in, 7-out 12G DA, or you can have a 7x1 12G switcher, or similarly you can have a 4x4 matrix switcher, or anything in between. It's extremely flexible. Moving on from that, we have the larger Aspen 32 UFX. So again, this is a assignable matrix switcher, anywhere from 32x1, 1 to 32, or 16x16, or anything in between. So this is extremely flexible for live events applications using up to 12G SDI. Down here, the FC331UX. So this is moving on from the FC331 that we've done before. This has two separate channels of 12G through to HDMI conversion. So this is 12G with a local loop, and the output, it can be actually scaled in this instance up to 4K 6444. In addition to that, you also have the ability to de-embed the audio. So on these XLRs, you can either have a stereo balanced pair in the analog domain, or you can have up to 4 channels of AES EBU in the digital, add to the 16 that are embedded on the SDI stream. Here we have HD SDI matrices from Sierra Video range. These are the Sierra Aspen range, so these go from as small as a 16x16 in a small form factor, 1RU, 2.5 inches deep, all the way up to a 4RU, 72 in, 72 out. These are 3G HD SDI routers with lots of feature sets, especially for the live events and also the broadcast industry. This year we're also showing the SMP and MPXX multiviewers. We've shown these before, but this year we've added a new capability, which is 12G HD SDI in. Using the new 12G cards, we can put up to 8 12G inputs in a 1RU frame to 2 outputs, or up to 16 6G inputs, or up to 32 3G inputs. That's all in a 1RU frame. So we've in effect doubled the density of what we can actually do now. Using the larger frame and doubling density, you can now get up to 144 3G inputs, or 72 6G, or 32 12G.